Hey folks, I did a 2 hour run to get to my store to get some sand. Yep, Tractor Supply Company. It's like an hour from my house. And I bought 2 bags. And I set this 29-gallon up with the sand and took out the Safety Sorb. And the reason I did that was I was getting a lot of turf algae on top of the Safety Sorb, and I couldn't seem to get rid of it. I would vacuum it out and it would come back again. So I decided to just take it out and save what plants I could. Some of them were looking lousy. Like this giant baby tears doesn't look too great. I don't know. So we'll see if that survives. All the fish I put downstairs in a 20-gallon while I was doing this. And 3 days after that, I brought some back. Just the platies. Where are you, platies? Yeah. Hey, there you are. They're doing fine. I left the filter on here, so it pretty cycled everything quickly. And like I said, it was 3 days before I put the fish in. But quickly I got some new growth up here. But we'll see how it goes. I put the S-repens back and some Java moss on the rocks. And in the back I kept the jungle val. A couple of pieces of it. We'll see how that does. And the Rotala. And Lewigia red. Lewigia repens red. So we'll see. But the fish are fine. I think they seem to be more active now. I don't know. Maybe because it's all fresh water too. So yeah, I love the sand. There's nothing in here, just the sand. I'm not doing dirt with a cap or anything. Just the sand. We'll see how it goes. Later I'll put some root tabs in. See, because I know, especially the crips are going to need root tabs. But this is day 4, and nothing's melting. Usually you have crips melting. No, they look pretty good. My tank needs to be cleaned, I know that. But I don't want to remove algae or anything yet. Let it mature more. Let the sand mature more before I clean anything. But yeah, fish are fine. If I can catch a few more platies from the other tank, I'll put them in here. All right, thanks for watching.